Assalamualaikum and good night for my lecturer. I do this video, I want to explain about electrical assignment. Okay, I do this assignment with my friend. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Abu Bakar and my friend Raja Abdul Syukur bin Raja Soib. We have from DMK1B. We study in Diploma Technology Mechatronic Industry. Then I want pass this video for Raja Abdul Syukur to explain about component you must have before you do relay in breadboard. Okay, let's go. Swipe up.
Okay, swipe down. Okay, as we know, my name is Raja Abdul Syukur bin Raja Soib. By the way, thanks to Muhammad Imran, my friend, for the introduce about myself, about where we are from. So, basically, we already know I'm a student from KKTM Balik Pulau, and we take a course Diploma in Technology, Engineering, Mechatronic, Industrial. So, I don't want to talk about myself. Now, I want to talk about a relay. So, why I create this video is because I want to teach you guys on how to using a relay, how it was functionality. Okay, so I know all of you who are watching this video, you don't know what is the relay. This is your first time, right, hearing a relay. So that's why the God sent me to teaching you guys. So I don't want to waste the time. I will show you guys on how a relay, what is the relay, and I will talk about relay lah. Don't worry lah. I will teach you guys, but not now. After this, I will show you. No. My friend Muhammad Imran will teaching you guys. Will show you on how to using a relay step by step. What we need, what the equipment, what the component we using. So, first of all, I would like to teach you guys basically about the relay. So, the first of all, relay, they have a 5 pin. The first is coil 1, common, coil 2, normally open and normally closed. So that is basically lah about relay. Everything relay in this world will using a 5. Oh no, I don't say not every but amount of certain I have a 5 pin. Okay. So but what I want to show you guys, relay have a 5 pin lah. Okay, and I will show you component that we use on our practical. So the first, we must have a jumper. The function jumper is you want to connect like jumper car lah. We will jumper battery to battery when your car shut down kan. So we using a jumper to connect from point A to point B, the current. So that is the function of jumper. And the second one, we have a breadboard. Okay, breadboard just like breadboard something like we using to basement lah. Like a basement lah. Like our house we have a base. Like that lah, breadboard. Okay, the thirdly is the banana cable. Okay, banana cable, the function is like a jumper. You will connect a current from the wire. So same lah like jumper. But we use banana cable from a DB, something like AC voltage to connect a current. So we using a banana cable. If you using your hand, you will die surely. Okay, and then we using a alligator clip. Not a alligator, not a buaya darat no. Alligator is his head like alligator lah, but he was a wire. The function is same like banana cable. We connect a current, we'll connect a connecting lah. And the last one is we have a relay. Okay.
Hi my friend and hi for my lecturer. First I want to thank you for Raja Abdul Syukur for invite me to explain about how to use circuit relay in breadboard. Thank you Raja for explain component in circuit relay. First, relay have a 5 pin. First pin in relay is the name is coil. Second, the name is common. Third is coil, and last the name is normally open and normally close. Okay, let's go. I want to explain for you how to use relay in breadboard. First, you have to take the relay and breadboard. You have to put the relay on breadboard. You must see the pin have pull in on the breadboard. Okay, then you have to set the power supply is 5 volt, and you have to jump the power supply positive terminal and negative at the breadboard. And then you have to the positive terminal you have to put in pin normally close, because I want to teach you how to use normally open first. Okay, then you have to pin the pin coil at the terminal positive. Then you have to jump the pin the power supply to the normally close, and then you have to take the wire jumper from normally open and take to the wire jumper to positive terminal. Then the lamp have a lit up. Then we have to use then we have to teach you how to use normally close. Normally close, you want to take the terminal positive to normally open, and the wire jumper you have to take for normally close, and you have hold in the wire jumper. Then the lamp has lit up.
Hello guys, welcome back. So, how about that? I hope you guys enjoyed the video that Mr. Imran that showed to you guys about a step by step on how to using the relay on your breadboard. So I hope at least a little bit lah the knowledge that we try to share you guys, you can catch up it, you can take it deep in your heart, and you can practice it by your own. So actually, now I don't want to talk about relay on the breadboard. Now I want to show you guys the most important thing before we start something. It means we must use a drawing. I give you example like why I say the drawing is a very important, because before we start something, actually I like an architect. Before we create a house, of course we must have a drawing, right? So that's why I say because when we have a drawing, we can imagine what we need to do, what the part that we need to do. So that's why I say the drawing is very important. So now I want to show you guys on how to drawing our circuit by using a drawing. So for me as a student, I will use a Proteus. Proteus is a apps lah to drawing something. Actually they have a lot: AutoCAD, Mastercam, Tinkercad, and now I will choose a Proteus to drawing my circuit. So now I will show you guys on how to drawing your circuit by using a Proteus. So now my friend will show you a video on how I will practice by using a Proteus. So my friend was using the first step is we will find the component that we need to do. So my friend will find a voltage, we call it voltage, by using a component, and then we will choose a component by 5 volt. And then the most important thing, of course, we must find a relay like my friend do. And then we will use a V sign. Okay, as we can see in the video, my friend was trying to find the component that we need to do. So for now we can see we have a relay, we have a V sign, we have a volt, and then my friend will find a push button. Push button is a very important because we want to open the bulb. So that's why push button is like a switch lah. When we click the switch, it will turn on, turn off. Okay, now my friend will drag the relay. He will play lah, because we want to imagine how the circuit we want to create. Okay, now my friend will arrange the component by step, like in the video. So yeah. So that's it. My friend was find a push button. They have a V sign. They have a relay. They have a bolt. And now my friend will drag the wire from point to point. It means to connect lah. Like I say, the jumper, right? So imagine the wire that in the circuit was a jumper. So now my friend will arrange the component by step. So the first we can see they have a bolt, and then we have a push button, we have a V sign, we have a lamp, we have a relay. So this is a Proteus, guys. If you want to know, it was if you a student, you can get free by when you buy a laptop. You can say to the seller, I want to use a Proteus, so you can get a Proteus by free of charge. Serious, because the Proteus we need to buy, we need to pay. So if you are student, you can get it free of charge. So now we have arranged the component that we need to use, like in the video. And then after that, my friend, he will drag and he will imagine what we need to connect, how to connect. So you guys can see he have put the volt in the left side, and then he will drag the component that he need to do, like in the video. We just play the component. Okay, now my friend have volt. I drag the volt from the volt to the switch. It means the push button. And then what he do? I don't know what he do now. Okay, now we drag the lamp to make sure it was look smart lah. It will look more safe. Okay, now my friend have drag the wire from push button to the relay. So we can see in the relay they have a two symbol, right? So one is mean normal close and one is a normal open. So we can choose what we want to do, what we want to use. We want to use a relay open or relay close. So banyak lah mau. Okay, after that he will drag the normally open, because what you can see the circuit is open, not is closed. So that's mean it was a normally open. And then he will drag the wire from relay normally open to the lamp, and then from the lamp to the V sign, and from V sign to the com. So that's it. It was a very simple circuit. You guys can try it at home, seriously. So I hope you guys can learn lah by watching this video, because it was easy, very easy, trust me. Okay, now it was gonna be complete. Yeah, and we can see when we push the button, you can see they have a one what we call it stroke will get turn like that. So it means they have a current, and then the current will go through the to the bulb, or we call it lamp. So that's how the relay function. So it was a very simple, and you guys can try it at home. So that's all for the tutorial on how to using a Proteus by using a relay. So I hope you guys can use it at home. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Good. Okay, welcome back guys. It's me, your favorite boy, Shuko. So actually we already at the end of our video. So I'm a little bit sad lah, because this is the end of our season. So I hope every knowledge, every video, our knowledge that we share with you guys, I hope it can help you guys. So I would like to apologize, because me and Imran was a student and we still a lack of our experience. So I hope if during our lecture they have some mistake, I would like to apologize to you guys. So I don't want to waste the time. I would like to shout out to my lecturer, Sir Saiful. Sir, thanks for everything that you have taught to us, that you share with us. Thanks for that, because you, now I have a basic of electrical and I can do something electrical wiring. So thanks for that. I'm really appreciate it, sir. I'm really honestly. Okay, so in the end of our video, I would like to give you guys a little bit about the conclusion about the relay. So the first, as we can see, the relay have a two function. The first is normally open, and the second one is they have a what? Yes, normally closed. So um I would like to give you guys a conclusion about the relay. The first is, as we know, the relay can control output circuits of a high power. So it means it can help you avoid or prevent from our circuit from short circuit. So it means it can help you guys from fire, something like a burn. As we can see the house, we can hear in the news, they have a house burn because of short circuit. So the relay can prevent from that happen. So I can say the safety of using a relay is a very good. It's a very inclusive. So I would like to recommend you guys to using a circuit relay. So the relay is a very protective. It can help your equipment from any damage. Because what? It can help you guys from damage, from burn, from short circuit. So yeah, as we can see, the voltage is very high. It's very dangerous. So that's why we're using a relay to cut the current. So that's the reason why we're using a relay. So it's a very good and very how to say it's a very friendly lah with us. And as we can see, the protective relays are very essential for keeping fault in the system. So that's why it can avoid your circuit from burn, from any damage, like that lah. So that's why I say the relay is a very good. It's a very protective. So please save the earth using a relay. So yeah, we are already at the end of our video. So I would like to say a less I would like to apologize to you guys if during me and Imran, if during our video we have using a bad word, have using a rude word that have scratched your feeling. I would like to apologize, because you know the goods come from Allah and the bad come from you. No, from me. Assalamualaikum. Mwah.